Hello, my name is Jun Chen. I teach at Life Prep Academy in Wichita, Kansas. I teach Chinese. I also help with international students. One interesting fact about me is my birthday is April 15th. Even though I was born in China, I was born on a very important date for Americans. Everyone needs to pay taxes. So the hope for the semester is I want to get through the semester with A's, but also last year with the two courses I become really good at reflecting what I learned throughout the school year with all the other courses. So it's also a good way, not just learning all the other subjects, but a way to reflect on my learning, teaching. So it's my hope that through this course I can continue to learn, continue to grow by reflecting what I have learned, and also what I have applied in my teaching daily. So definitely improve my teaching and grow myself as a person. And most importantly, using what I've learned to help students to learn and grow themselves. So looking forward to this semester and looking forward to learn from each one of you. Thank you.